if a party like the ruling party that was formed 2014, 2013, 2014, and if you check from that time till now, you know how old they are. And from 2015, they managed to push out a government that is better than them. From 2015 till now, they have been taking Nigeria from top to bottom. From top to, but it's worse than that. They are even digging the ground to bury Nigeria completely. We have not started campaign, but when we start, they will hear. But even that party that has been there since 2015, you saw the reports from their primaries, not so? Symbol in the north, in the south, everywhere in Nigeria, in all states. You should ask yourself, how can anyone think of defeating this party? How? And we have just started. The best in us is yet still to come. And the elections are still months away. And we have not even started campaigns. So I want to thank you all, congratulate you all, commend you all. I would like to also, on this occasion, thank the several well-meaning Nigerian leaders who, believing in the vision and the leadership of our party, and our wonderful, exceptional candidates are identifying with us. A number of them are here. I would like to use my brother from Delta, distinguished Nigerian statesman, former Senate Deputy President, and our presiding officer in the 9th Senate, and distinguished Senator Nigerianpolitics, to represent all those Nigerian leaders who were few months ago in the other party that is not doing well. In the other party that is not doing well. And they have come to join us as co-founders of our party, co-builders of our party, co-visioners of our dream. My dear brother and my sister, thank you very much. And there are many in the north, in the south. In the last 4-5 months since the founding or establishment of our party, I have been a fisher of men and women. Yes. I've been acting out the commission, fishing for good people to join in this mission of change that our country truly deserves. And I know, even this afternoon before I came here, you'll be shocked the delegations and meetings I had. Wow. Of people who were on the wrong side. Good people, great Nigerians, and who are beginning to see the light. A number of them in your various states will be meeting you very soon. Okay, sir. All I can say after thanking them is that we have room even for more. Yes, sir. We have room even for more. And so when they come to you as state chairman, receive them warmly. Yes, sir. And give them all the respect, regard that their status and experience requires and deserves. Okay, sir. We are a party that welcomes all. Yes. We are for all. Yes. All good men and women. We're a pan-Nigerian great party. Yes. That we are building. After that, I would like to also use this opportunity of our second neck, because of my remarks, to congratulate our very, very charming presidential candidate and his running mate, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, CON, and his running mate, Engineer Dr. Rabi Musa Konkoso, CON. And I think you should all stand up and give them a round. Yes, sir. The leaders of our party did the right thing when all of us gave our platform to them as sole presidential candidate and running mate. And we met here to confirm it. And we trust in them and their ability to bring about the change that this nation deserves. In the same vein, I would like to also congratulate all our candidates, governorship candidates. And let me make it clear, we have governorship candidates in all the states of Nigeria where governorship elections are due next February. We do have, yes, and that tells you the strength of our party. I want to also congratulate all the senatorial and House of Reps, the candidates for the National Assembly. All of them, quality candidates from every state of Nigeria and the FCT. We congratulate all of you. There is no state in this country where we have not presented candidates for the state legislatures, the houses of assembly. In all the 36, we have candidates. We congratulate all of them. Now, as the national chairman remarked a few minutes ago, and as you all know, and from my narration of the challenges we have encountered and surmounted, I want to congratulate all the chairmen, all our leaders, and the panels, the electoral teams that were dispatched. Some to states that they were visiting for the first time, and yet they went there and conducted a very credible exercise. Let me say this. There's no way